What is going on YouTube? Hitterback making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, I'm excited to make today's video, and I'll show you without using any words why I'm excited. Just check this out right here. I think you guys can figure out why I'm a bit happy, a little more happier than I usually am in regards to this market, because as you guys can clearly tell, XRP is exploding to the upside here, and it is not too late to take advantage of this. We've been calling this every single day for the past couple of days, ever since we saw the confirmation breakout above 20 on the 29th here. We confirmed closure at 55 cents here. That was when we were able to buy in and long this to the upside here on the 4-hour charts here. We saw a beautiful symmetrical triangle. We saw a beautiful descending fractal forming here, and we knew clear as day this was an opportunity to buy in and long to the upside here, which we were easily able to take advantage of on my favorite exchange, BidFi, which is linked down in the description below. And since then, we have exploded to the upside and are continuing to explode to the upside here. I actually thought maybe we would be heading lower, starting to cool off, but nope, we've been able to go up over 13%, which is absolutely incredible if you ask me. So I'm super excited to see all of this happen here. As you guys can tell, with a lot of these cryptocurrencies, things are definitely getting ready to pump on like Ethereum, and same thing with Bitcoin too, as I think we're literally filling in the gap. There's not much more room left for the other cryptocurrencies, but as you can see, the first one to pump was definitely XRP, which we were easily able to take advantage of. As you guys can see in previous videos here on the channel, we've talked about this in the past on numerous occasions here, that we were expecting and getting ready to see another run to happen here. You can see, I don't even know where it was, XRP Ripple holders, incredible discovery. You do not want to miss this. This was for another breakout here. We have another symmetrical triangle. We broke bullish out of a lot of these cryptocurrencies, and I've been saying this every single day to capitalize on the XRP run. I mean, every single day in every single video that XRP is going to be heading higher. It is heading higher. Breakout is coming. Movements to the upside are coming here, and this is clear proof and evidence that that is exactly what happened. So huge shout out to those that were able to take advantage of this run, and for those that haven't, there are still opportunities very soon that will arise that you guys can take advantage of. Possible short opportunities, possible long opportunities, so on and so forth. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you can see, top 10 cryptocurrencies were up about only 0.14% here, 72% to be, we're at 72 on the Fear and Greed Index. My apologies. We're at 1.28 trillion. We're up only 0.14% here. You can see most of these cryptos are starting to flatline out, except XRP, which is pumping, only up 9.5% on the week. Solana's up 15%, but not really seeing much movement in regards. Actually, that's a lie. We're up 7.28% for the day, only about 0.7 for the past hour here. But the run is definitely happening here after seeing a lot of the bullish movement that we had within a lot of the cryptos. We've mainly consolidated and are starting to form some sort of technical indicator, which we found out and discovered about 2 days ago, that these cryptos, if we zoomed in on the 4-hour charts, we moved closer. We noticed, hey, there are other formations here, especially on XRP, some sort of 4-hour technical indicator like symmetrical triangles, bull flag formations here, and these were opportunities to capitalize on bullish runs to the upside or dumps inevitably, but we had those opportunities arise and we were able to track them and take advantage of them here. And you can see Bitcoin hasn't done it yet. Ethereum hasn't done it yet. BNB hasn't done it yet, but XRP has. We saw the breakout, and we are currently experiencing the breakout, which we're clearly taking advantage of here. Many days ago, I mean, we can go back on my channel here. I know this is going to be kind of silly because I'm probably going to get hit with some commercials here, but even if we went back like a couple of days ago, yeah, we're going to get hit with commercials, so I don't really think there's a point showing you this. But if you watch my previous videos, we basically outlined this symmetrical triangle that was forming here, and this was an opportunity to capitalize on a run. If I delete this, you can see here the beautiful flag pull. Here's the flag filling in the gap. Then we had the breakout. This was that opportunity. Even more so, we said, oh, look, there's some sort of, if we delete this, there's some sort of descending fractal here, lower high, lower low movements here, which usually ends in a bullish break. And then once we saw the confirmation, if you're real aggressive right here, if you're more conservative right here, were the entry points, which we were able to capitalize on, we bought in, moving stop losses higher. And since then, we've just been erupting in price, exploding in price, which is nuts considering where we bought in. We put that stop loss a bit lower, but like I said, as we rose up, we move stop loss higher. I'll show you again. We bought in right here. We put stop loss here. We move our position up. We move the stop loss lower. We move the position up. We move the stop loss lower, and so on and so forth here. And we haven't been able to retest it or get sold out. So we've been able to keep locking in profits as we move up. But things are about to change, most likely for XRP, where we're probably going to start to see the markets dip downwards here. Although overall, we look incredible. We are extremely overbought, and there's a very, very solid chance we are going to see a recovery or a correction, a short opportunity nonetheless. I mean, is it possible for us to continue upwards? Of course it is. Of course it is. But with us trading at about almost 80 on the RSI, it's kind of unrealistic. The good part is we're above this blue uptrend here and the moving average, which is basically the main two factors that we needed to see happen here. Now, what's even more incredible is now that we're right here in this area, we needed to break above, which we did. So the fact that we're putting so much distance now between this and where we currently are means when we do decide to dip downwards, let's say we start to dip downwards now, this might be enough to lower ourselves on 50 on the RSI, where the last time we were 50 on the RSI was all the way down here at about 48 cents. Now we'll be at 56 cents in a very solid level here where we can bounce off using it as support and head up even higher, which is incredible if you ask me. So keep your eyes peeled on that market because I suspect a reversal and a pump. But for the time being, we do have those stop losses ready to capitalize off those runs. The weekly charts look incredible. This is exactly where we've been expecting and outlining where markets would move to, retesting this top resistance within the moving average. It's only been a matter of time after we retested this to head back inside of it. And here it is again. Like literally, we've been calling this for I don't know how long. Like I honestly would like to show you previous videos. We'll probably have to pull it up maybe in tomorrow's episode here. But I've been talking about it day after day after day that we were looking for this rally to fill in the gap here between the weekly moving average. So we have a price target right over here, which is pretty much what we retested. We've already hit it here. So the consolidation inside moving average is necessary, and it's also what we were anticipating and expecting. So by no means was this a surprise in any sense. Now, obviously, we do all these trades on BidFi, the number one cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you could possibly want on an exchange is offered on BidFi. So make sure to check it out. They also are offering free welcome bonus rewards here. So for those that want to sign up, you can earn up to $200 in free rewards by signing up with that link down in the description and then getting your $50 coupon, $100 bonus, and then another $50 bonus from activating futures account. Then they even have a way to earn up to $2,888 completely free by clicking welcome rewards and filling out the user advanced and exclusive tasks. Make sure to check that out ASAP. Now, moving forward, looking at this, if I can just scroll into where I mentioned XRP, if I can. Here we go. You can see kind of where we were here, filling in the gap. I think this was right before the movement that we had here. This was like us retesting moving average right here. And you can see that's us retesting it right at that moment. I suspected a break to the upside. Let me just draw it in. I think it was real soon. Let's see. Yep, just like that. This is ideally what we were anticipating. Reversal, retest, consolidation, and then a breakout. And you can see this is exactly what has happened. I mean, it doesn't get any more perfect and in line than this. I mean, come on. It's exactly what we had originally. It's what we had expected, the consolidation and the pump. Let's see if I even went into the 4 hour. I'm pretty sure I did. Nope, I moved past it. Oh, well, but that's pretty much what we had anticipated and inferenced that we'd see a consistent pump to the upside here. Now it's honestly, are we going to see it within these other cryptos? That's the main movement today. Maybe you missed out on the XRP trade. Well, maybe Ethereum or Bitcoin might be the next opportunities here. Now, Ethereum has always been a tough one to draw technical indicators on because of how unsteady it is. So I now have to move this higher because I don't know if it was accurate here. I mean, we have to change it. That's the sad part. Now we have to extend this out. Maybe now we have a longer one here that we have to keep watching. I don't like the way it looks, but this is how it's going to have to be until I get some other variable that maybe I like better. So again, I'm putting Ethereum on the back burner. Not a huge fan of this. Bitcoin looks a lot better here. Just draw this a little bit lower, move this a little bit higher. Still very, very, very accurate if you ask me. Same thing with this. Move this a bit lower here. And you can see kind of how all this is starting to pan out. So very excited to see how this all turns out. Keep your eyes peeled. If you missed out on an XRP opportunity to long, well, Bitcoin might be the next one. And if you missed the opportunity to long an XRP, there will be an opportunity to short. But for the time being, still plenty of room to capitalize off this bull run here. As for the S&P, I think we're bottoming off, and I think now we're starting to see that reversal to the upside here. So I'm also very excited to see what's to come within the S&P 500. But with that all being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.